Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add labels to box and whisker plot in Excel. So let's begin. This whisker chart, simply click chart, click to this plus icon, and now this already check mark to this label. Simply click the drop down menu, add labels right, left, above, below or more data labels. See this right above and use number, category, general text, fractions, format code, etc. Example, use label position, edit. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.